Hi, then we're back. I have made a video about the districts in Ho Chi Minh, and as of June 30, um, that that was changed. The Ho Chi Minh City is now called or it's called Ho Chi Minh City, but some would refer to it as the new Ho Chi Minh City, because now they incorporated Binh and Vung, so that is now part of Ho Chi Minh City. In this merger, they took away all the districts, and everything now has become wards. So we don't live in District 7 anymore. We live in Ward Phu. So we're gonna see a little about it here. That happened on June 30, and they basically, the National Assembly, they made a resolution there to go from 63 cities and provinces into 34 cities and provinces. So that is new in Vietnam. District 7 and District 2 and this and that, people were still probably gonna say it, but officially it's not districts anymore. So that's just a little video about that. We can basically look at that again here. It's say here. So it's undergone a significant expansion, merging with the provinces of Binh and Vung to form a larger, more comprehensive city. This expanded city, sometimes referred to as the new Ho Chi Minh City, aims to become a regional and global hub for finance, high-tech industry and maritime trade. The merger was officially launched on June 30, 2025. So that is very, very recent. So yeah, that's a little about the new city and how it grew. And like I said, District 7, District 2, District Tam Ban and all these are now gone. And Phoung means just ward. So it's ward this and ward that. And I think it's about 160 wards or something. 168 wards. So if we look at the ward we live in now is Phu. So that was former District 7, Q7, that is Quan 7. So that's where we live in Phoung Phu. So Ward Phu. So you have all these Phoung. It's 168 of them, because now it includes Binh and Vung and so on. So it's many. It's really many. So I think most people gonna still say District 7 and District 2 and so on, and District 1 and this and that. So it's okay. People will understand it because it's been here so long. But correct, if you deal with the government and stuff like that, you need to use these new terms. So yeah, that's it for this video today, guys. Then you know a little about the new changes in Ho Chi Minh City. Bye bye.